All right, everybody, we are back. It is officially day 5, and we got here bright and early, just like every other day, and got to work. So we've already got the shop cleared out. We've got the truck and the bed set up because, well, this beautiful man right here is gonna be putting some more clear on all those Ford antimatter blue parts we did yesterday. I get to start blocking. Fun. But I prefer that. Let him do his magic in the booth. I can do the blocking. And then we go from there. So we go ahead and get you set up. That was a weird segue there. So that speckling you see on top, that is the this black base that he sprayed, a high gloss black base, right?
Yeah, it's just a black base for guide coat.
Yeah. So when you sand it,
start seeing stuff. You know.
So we'll sand or not sand, but he'll let us know. What are we doing? Why don't you give us a little rundown?
We're gonna get a nice little block. Nice little cross hatch action.
Okay. Okay. All right, so you did some blocking, and I noticed there's still a little there, so what does that mean?
So I'm gonna keep sanding a little bit, so I can see starting to go away.
Okay.
We did put 3 heavy coats of high-build primer on that.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, you did. So say you were sanding, and then you start to like see a little bit of like metal or something, but that spot's still there. What does that mean?
It's low.
So low spot, which means then we do what?
Use a little spot putty.
Okay.
No, maybe a little spot primer. It just depends. But yeah, now it's just this little guy.
Yep. That little dude right there.
Putty,
Yep.
Repair.
And so we got to do this on the entire bed, all the way around, and the truck. We have our work cut out for us. We better get started.
Shoulders are gonna be smoked.
My feet are smoked. That's why I got my cowboy chanclas on. These are the shock absorber ones. They got little like shock absorbers and like special like soles. They're kind of nice. So I threw these on because they're actually like the most comfortable things I own. We've got the bed fully blocked out. It's looking fantastic. We did have a little low right here that we went ahead and just bondoed up. It's all good. Truck's looking fantastic as well. Super happy. When we picked these seats up, they were absolutely trashed, messed up. Just, you guys saw what I had to go through to get them out. Well, as we showed you the other day with Aaliyah Leathers, we've got our seats in. Yeah, this is way above my pay grade. This is above my skill set. So, you know, we're gonna go ahead and get these professionally installed because that's the right thing to do. So one quick look, those are the seats. We still got the original cloth back seat, the little 2-1 with a little fold down. The next time you see these things, they're gonna be looking fantastic. I'm excited. I can't wait to see it. Let's just make it happen. All right, guys, real quick, just kind of give you a little tease of what it's gonna look like. Wanted it super clean and simple. Mind you, after SEMA, this is gonna be a daily driven work truck. So I didn't honestly want anything like too crazy. I kind of like, you know, the whole point of the truck is to blend in a little bit. And I feel like this is a good mix of like, you know, style, flair, and also just a straight up, you know, functional seat. I don't know, you know, I'm not real big into design. I went click. Aaliyah Leathers has a huge, massive catalog of what you can pick. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of went with something a little simpler. I like it, it's what I wanted, and that's what I went with.
I'm back today, you guys again, working hard without me, but got off a little early today to swing by. They've improved their working conditions a little bit, no longer out in the sun. We've moved off-site to an undisclosed location for these boys to, Jay, to continue spraying. A little beauty in here. What are we spraying in there?
Antimatter blue, baby.
Oh, dang. I am not going in there. They like to be in there. I got a respirator. I probably shouldn't even be standing next to this thing, but hey, you know, a lot of blue on the window. Now, unfortunately, our seat installer didn't have time to finish Dedic seats today. He was actually going to take these to a shop and do them, but he decided to do them on site. So we've got, what, 3/4 of your seats done? Basically, a little more than that. So obviously, you guys know, I'm a big proponent for diamond stitch seating because it just adds A little extra squish. You got that extra squish right there. Let's get our first look at Dedic's color combo with the caribou brown and antimatter blue. I don't think you're gonna get this in the sun. You think you're gonna roll it all the way? Oh, we got a tiny bit of sun. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Now this has not been cut, buffed, done anything, right? This is just straight clear coat, and it already looks beautiful.
Awesome.
Yeah, let's get out of the shadow here. Gentle. Gentle. Beautiful.
Just like that.
There you go. There's your first look. Now again, this is all filmed on a GoPro, so it's not going to come out quite as like, I don't even know what's the word. Okay, you think we can see it over there?
Yeah, absolutely.
Look at that.
It's so weird, like you step further away and it looks completely different. You get closer, it looks like just as good, but just different.
Yeah, now it's black on black almost.
Yeah.
But like just a shade different of black.
And then you just move, exactly, like.
And we get over here and now you start to see the caribou brown.
But then you go too far over and now it starts to turn like a dark, like.
Now this is like, what's that one black color? That like, remember that was like the blackest black?
Yeah.
It almost looks like that right there.
Yeah.
What up, everybody? It's another morning. It is officially start of day 5. I apologize. Day 4, we kind of got a little busy, you know? Got a little busy on them, and yeah, I forgot to keep recording at the end of the day. Apologize, but a little update.
Check that out.
That is, mind you, nothing has been cut, buffed, touched, nothing. This is all just clear from this man's beautiful hand. Like that is insane. This is like already better than most paint jobs rolling around out there. That is like, Jesus. I can name I can read the label off that rafter up there, off that thing. Personally, I've sprayed very few little things. It's never come out anything looking like that. That just kind of shows what that man right there knows. You know, treat your painters good and pay them what they deserve, because this stuff ain't easy, man. Take it from someone like me who's like, I've done the little stuff in the garage and I'm like, oh, this ain't too bad, I'm killing it right now. And then seeing what it actually takes to get a paint job like that, it ain't no joke, I'll tell you that. Check these out. We've got the bumper brackets from Flog. So originally we had these just primered in powder, or powder primer, whatever you call it. And Ryan had pointed out like, hey man, shouldn't these have been frame color? And I realized he was correct. They should have. That was a mess up on my part. But then Jay brought up the idea, hey man, instead of making them color matched, let's do the accent color. That way, you know, it like has that contrast even behind the bumper, just another added detail. Originally I was like, yeah, sure, why not, like, okay. And then once we started putting the accent up against the antimatter blue, I was like, absolutely, like anywhere those two colors are touching right now, I am absolutely in love with. We've got a lot more to go today. So as you can see, we got the bed right here, that's knocked out, but we still have the cab. Oh, the hood's done too, that's right. Yeah, hood's done too, I forgot about that. Yeah, we have cabin doors. We got the upper hood valance up there, your little hole for your antenna, and then I just got to staple back on those little rubber flaps that kind of fold up when the hood goes up and down. Today's gonna be just a hell of a day. Today's gonna be like the big one. The doors are getting painted, the cab's getting painted, everything's gonna kind of come together in today's video. Tomorrow is when everything's actually gonna get put together and like fully checked out for the first time, a truck completely together. And then in 2 days, we actually have windshield and back glass going in. Today we also have the rest of the seats. The front seats are currently in the truck, and I'm so comfortable. Me and Jay, we were tired yesterday waiting for some stuff to dry and tack up, and I threw them in the truck and we just sat there for like 10 minutes just like, yeah, this is nice.
Starting to hang up the doors. We got the doors all sanded and prepped. Sat here and I red Scotch Brighted all the insides, made sure all the hardware was out, everything like that. Same thing over here. We've got our hood blocked, or not blocked, my apologies. We got our hood scuffed back up, or sanded. That's gonna get re-cleared. Same thing over here.
Jay, is this what you meant when you needed help? I got the camera, buddy.
Yeah.
All right, we don't have hooks for this?
No.
Oh, okay.
We're not at my
close your eye out.
I got my sunglasses too,
All right,
Jay. It's bright out here. So I can tell this is not Jay's first experience ever wiring up a door. So you have not shown this, right?
Nope.
Just shown the doors, which are ready to go back in.
The last thing we showed was what? The bed and the hood, but that was before it got re-sanded and re-sprayed with clear, more clear. Flow coated. There we go. That's the word. He's been trying to teach me terminology.
Flow coated, bro.
But we can show you guys. I mean, everything just looks black in here, which is cool because it's going to give you a real good reveal once this goes on outside.
I don't know what to do. I'm scared, so I'm just going to stand here holding this.
Well, touch the sides, man. Look at that. Son of a gun.
Don't worry, Doc. This is getting a cut and a polish.
Oh, okay. 7, 3, 2, 1, go. We can't see shit, so.
Nope. You guys got it?
Yep. Come look at it. I don't want to go down. No, we're gonna go down. We're gonna do this. That was easy. Hey, great. Fucking mechanics, bro. Good. You need body shop. Got you. We're gonna keep the full reveal till later.
Yeah.
However, right now we've got the flog bumper. We obviously have these flog tread plates, and thankfully flog went away from drilled and tapped plates because that was just kind of very unnecessary when 3M tape really does a good job these days, and you don't have to worry about holes in anything or seeing any more bolts. So we're gonna tape on this bad boy, and then do we have the side ones or the little side ones?
Yep.
These are the two side plates. Look at that. Beautiful.
Just like that.
That way you can actually use your bumper. You can step on it. You don't have to worry about it. In worst case scenario, pull this off. You can refinish this little piece instead of having to worry about refinishing the entire bumper. And if you really want to get crazy with it, you could like bed line this piece, and then you're guaranteed you're really never going to screw this thing up. So we've got options here. But if you want it to just look sick, it also makes a beautiful accent piece. This turned out sick.
Yeah. That actually really worked out perfectly.
So I don't know if we have any more of these online, but if we do, workfordapparel.com, get you a Workford hitch cover. And you can paint them in any color combo you want, such as this.
Should we watch you through the reflection, or should we watch you through...
That's a pretty nice reflection.
Dude, mind you, this paint has not been cut, buffed, or nothing. This is just sprayed clear. Flow coated clear.
I'm about to cut it with this knife.
Hey. Okay.
You know, you don't want to get too close to the edge.
You made sure you're doing it right side down, right?
Nope.
You know, building a truck's a whole lot different when you just keep telling yourself it's just a work truck.
I should like test fit this.
I thought you said you were like the pro at this.
Oh. You told me it's just a work truck, so
Nope.
changes things.
Fair enough.
I'm just gonna eyeball center. Pretty close there.
Alright, let's do a POV, Rhino POV.
This is Ryan.
We call that technique right there.
Angry Ape.
Angry. Ooh, okay. Yeah, she ain't got
Here,
them.
check this out, dude. This is a new technique I got.
She ain't got them shock absorbers on yet.
What the hell's that? It bounces into me.
Oh, okay. All right, you're done. Jesus.
So is that kind of a guessing game?
Looks good to me. Still sticks out a little bit, but it looks good to me.
Kind of all I can do. Here we go. All right, guys. Well, Jay is about to head back up north. We appreciate you coming down, buddy. I feel like it's mean if I say it, but when Dedek wanted to paint this truck himself, I was like, holy crap, this is gonna be insane. So this was the best combo right here of.
He realized and learned what it, what it actually is to do.
I was not mentally, physically, financially ready for me to spray that truck myself in any way.
There you go.
And working with him,
twice, 3 times.
Yeah, working with him, watching him do all this. Yeah, I'm kind of glad I had the opportunity to see it done right. I don't know how many attempts it would have taken me to get close enough for that. There's no amount of, good clear and garbage bags to have, got that somewhere enough for SEMA.
So again, you guys remember Jay painted this truck for me last year for SEMA. Well, actually, we didn't even plan on taking it to SEMA, but we ended up taking her, which was super awesome. And hey, thanks for doing my taillights while you're here. We got some other stuff for you though coming in the works for that truck because well, obviously now you got our 2 trucks going to SEMA. You're working on like 3 other vehicles for SEMA, right?
There's a 77 Bronco, full body liner, 41 Willie is gonna be out there.
You should probably start driving home now. You got a lot of work to do.
I got a lot of work to do.
You need me to take leave before we can come up there next?
Maybe. We're gonna need everyone.
There you go. Come on, Chris, pack up the truck.
I gotta go to the casino, man.
Is there a casino up there?
I'll go with you. There's 3.
There's a lot of casinos up there. Yeah,
go.
we'll go hit the casinos. Me and Chris are no stranger to the casinos around Jay's place.
Okay, all right.
Alrighty, guys. So we're not gonna do a full reveal of the truck yet. There's actually a lot of finishing touches that Dedic is currently still working on. So you're gonna have to stay tuned for that. What are you doing over here?
Huh? Nothing.
Oh. Jay, can you take this hood
Leave
and
my natural patina alone, all right?
Take the
We
whole
got like
truck.
6 more years and that thing's ready to get cleared.
So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that you do not miss out on any future content.
You guys
What's
are
the next
best.
part?
You guys are the best.
Like, thumbs up,
Make sure you guys like, thumbs up, subscribe. You guys are the best.
Work for it.
Yep, close enough. Close enough. Yeah, we're just gonna kind of do like I don't know. What are we doing? We're not doing like a full walk around.
I don't want to do a reveal yet until it's like done. So
Yeah.
it's cool right here. You just barely see part of it.
Yeah.
So get in tight, boys. Get in tight. Act like
Chris, come on, build manager.
Act
Come on,
like
real build manager.
you know each other.
Right?
Go ahead, Derek.
Oh, this is weird without you in. You're always the hype man. You're the closer, dog. This is you.
I don't know this part of the video.
It's just saying bye and we're done. That's it. That's the part of the video. Yeah, there you go. Say it. I don't know. Dog, you're the best at like the starts and the ends. I can do the in-betweens. I just
Truck's painted.
Oh yeah, we're done.
Truck's
All
painted.
right, we're done.
What
yeah,
do you got?
like, you know.
Month and a half till SEMA now?
Yeah, what am I gonna do with all this extra time?
Better weld that rear end.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right.
All right, guys. Well, Jay is about to head back up north. We appreciate you coming down, buddy. Getting I feel like it's mean if I say it, but when Dedic wanted to paint this truck himself, I was like, "Holy crap, this is gonna be insane!"
I agree
So
with you.
this was the best combo right here of.
He realized and learned what it,
Yeah.
what it actually is to do.
I was not
What we
mentally,
did.
physically, financially ready for me to spray that truck myself in any way.
There you go.
And working with
Once,
him and
twice, 3 times.
yeah,
4 times.
working with him, watching him do all this. Yeah, I'm kind of glad I had the opportunity to see it done right because I don't know how many attempts it would have taken me to get close enough for that. There's no amount of good clear and garbage bags to have got that somewhere enough for SEMA.
So again, you guys remember Jay painted this truck for me last year for SEMA. Well, actually, we didn't even plan on taking it to SEMA, but we ended up taking her, which was super awesome. And hey, thanks for doing my taillights while you're here. We got some other stuff for you though coming in the works for that truck because well, obviously now you got our 2 trucks going to SEMA. You're working on like 3 other vehicles for SEMA, right?
There's a 77 Bronco, full body liner, 41 Willys is gonna be out there. Some stuff.
You should probably start driving home now. You got a lot of work
I
to
know.
do.
I got a lot of work to do.
There you go.
Yeah.
Sorry, you need me to take leave before we can come up there next?
Maybe. We're gonna need everyone.
There you go. Come on, Chris, pack up the truck.
I gotta go to the casino, man.
Is there a casino up there?
I'll go with you. There's 3.
There's a lot of casinos up there.
there you
Yeah,
go.
we'll go hit the casinos.
We'll go hit the 3
Me and Chris are no
stores.
stranger to the casinos around Jay's place.
Okay, all right.
Alrighty, guys. So we're not gonna do a full reveal of the truck yet. There's actually a lot of finishing touches that Dedic is currently still working on. So you're gonna have to stay tuned for that. What are you doing over here?
Huh? Nothing.
Oh. Jay, can you take this hood
Leave
and
my natural patina alone, all right?
Take the
We
whole
got like
truck.
6 more years and that thing's ready to get cleared.
oh jeez.
Need the whole truck.
So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that you do not miss out on any future content.
You guys
What's
are
the next
best.
part?
You guys are the best.
Like, thumbs up,
Make sure you
subscribe.
guys like, thumbs up, subscribe. You guys are the best.
What
Work
else?
for it.
Yep, close enough. Close enough. Close enough.
Damn. Yeah.